Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character guǎn. Step by step, I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 管 guǎn, to take care of. Tube, or surname Guan. For example, 不管 不管 no matter what, no matter how. No matter, regardless of. Now check this sentence. Whether he will come or not, we will go on with our plan. 不管他来不来，我们按原计划进行。Whether he will come or not, we will go on with our plan. 不管他来不来，来不来，我们按原计划，按原计划进行。Whether he will come or not, 不管他。来不来，我们按原计划进行。Whether he will come or not, we will go on with our plan. My daily handwriting on the character Guan. Guan, to take care of. Tube, Chinese surname Guan. 不管 no matter what, no matter how, regardless of. Whether he will come or not, we will go on with our plan. 不管他来不来，我们按原计划进行。管 Please comment any words or sentence with the character Guan. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.